Welcome to my channel. Phone to you today. I show you how to repair my Redmi 12C. First, you need to remove the SIM tray, then remove the battery plastic cover. You can see all the screws on and remove screws. After, disconnect the battery and LCD flex. Also, you see the finger scan button, remove this one as well. Once you remove the battery, remove the broken LCD, clean the edge on the frame. Once you remove, use adhesive, very gently put the new screen on. You can buy the screens online, local stores they have. Two qualities: one is the original LCD and Incel LCD. Customer said to me, put the cheat screen on. I ordered the Incel. Thanks for watching my video. Like and share.